You want rice, Dad?
No.
Unya lang shape ni mo.
I'm just eating the rest of it because it's thick and I don't want it to melt.
Pagkuha niyo spoon na. Are you done?
I'm done. If
Okay,
you're done, you
you
can
drink
just...
up.
Yeah.
Turn in the couch.
Do you want a small spoon or a big one?
Small lang.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And for today's video, we're gonna be doing a mukbang with barbecue, whatever that is,
This is
and
beef.
this.
Green squash.
But before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications.
So we buy this in the Filipino store, restaurant. Bell pepper, squash. This is beef, guys. Beef, I will try. A little spicy. Oh, not really.
Then no thank you.
Kauna. Dinuguan. Pork.
Dad's eating Mexican.
Barbecue. So $4 ito, guys. $4 sa
I'm gonna
Filipino
get.
restaurant. Kapag
Do you want some?
mahal siya, pero bumili ako kasi wala kaming, hindi ako nakaluto sa bahay.
Mom, do you want Coke or Sprite?
Right?
Sprite.
Masarap siya. $4 na ito. Ludo. Bell pepper.
Try not to drink that one either.
So, meron ako nito, guys. Bilo-bilo. Boba bito ning gagmay.
I'm getting a straw for it.
So, this is Tropicana. The yellow is, I will try. What is this?
What are the circle thingamajiggies?
It's a jackfruit.
Nice.
And this one is the glutinous rice. Glutinous rice. Coconut.
Coconut in there?
Coconut milk.
Cool.
So, first time ko bumili nito, guys. Next time I will try to make like this. It's a kind of coconut milk.
Can I try?
It's good.
Why is it hot?
I buy some Tropicana. I put in the microwave.
I thought it was supposed to be cold.
No, it must be hot. You like it? Hurry up. Like it or no?
I thought it was cold. If it was cold,
This one is a jackfruit, the
it
yellow.
would be the best.
This one is coconut. Na, kani ba? The white coconut.
I want to try this one.
You cannot use the straw because it's hot.
I have to always use the straw. Not hot for me.
It's nice if they have banana, but they don't have banana.
You can add bananas.
Yeah. Kani glutinous rice.
What is that? Here,
Try.
can you put it in the middle?
Be careful sa straw lagi kay hot. Hot lagi na. Try this.
I'm scared.
Bite.
Oh, hot.
But Jen, I don't.
It's hot.
That ain't happening again on this one.
Kauna na ng barbecue, Althea.
Take it.
Kauna na ng food. I'm done eating the rice. This is dessert. How barbecue? Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.